From the window to the wall, we getting lit up in it, big bouncing. We does it big up in it, big bouncing.
All right, so now we're gonna get the taillights put in. Then we just got a new set. Same things, just brand new. And then we got some bright white reverse lights. So it's just a couple screws here. I'll just show you before and after of them. And here's the new taillights with bright LED reverse lights. I was just gonna give you a quick little before and after of the exhaust. We're gonna be getting it fixed today, all the leaks in it. And I also got new headlights put in, and I'll show you how bright they are real quick. But yeah, we'll just get right to it. Then this evening, I'll give you like an explanation of the whole exhaust, what we got put on it and everything. But yeah, here's the lights right now. So they're a lot brighter, which it's nice driving early in the morning. Hear the leak up here. There's the new exhaust. So we got some pretty big glass packs to keep it somewhat quiet down. I'll fire it up and let you hear it. From in here, you can't hardly hear it at all. It's pretty quiet inside the truck.